Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website through AI. So we're going to actually generate prompt at first. So let me show you how you can actually generate prompt. Here you can see this is the topic. This will be the video titles that AI builds a blog website in 5 minutes. So basically, if you go to create a blog website, it will take a long time. And if you follow our YouTube channel, you can see that we made blog website through PHP and PHP framework, Laravel also, and it took a long time, right? And maybe 10 to 15 days we actually show you in live. I mean, how you can actually create a blog website, okay, step by step. So it takes more than 15 days, maybe, or more than 10 days, let's say. But AI can actually make it within 5 minutes. So we are going to actually prove it. At first, I'm going to tell GPT that, to give me all the prompts or ideas, what can actually I do. So at first, I'm going to say that give me or tell me about all the pages. Not about it, it will be all the pages. Otherwise, it will give me about page. What I need. And let's just go with, let's say, HTML and CSS and PHP website, let's say. We can actually make HTML file and then convert HTML file to PHP, right? So let's just go with at first HTML and CSS. So I'll say, give me all the pages what I need, and let's go with only HTML and CSS. And here you can see it breakdowns all these pages for us, and this will be simple, clean and perfect. Okay, fine, let's go. So at first we need a home page. So yes, we know by default page is index. If you create any index file, that index file would be the default file for this project, right? We know this. So we need a header here section. Okay, fine, we don't need to worry about it because we will actually give generate the prompt and then we will actually create the page. Okay, now sidebar, footer, yes. So now you can get the idea that what you need. We need a header and footer also, right? We need a hero section, then recent post and sidebar. So it thinks about things like a CMS, right? Okay, so then we need a blog post page. Yes, we need a single page. So we got how many pages? 5 pages, right? Okay, now we'll give the prompt that so let's see how it works. And here you go, we have these pages. Here you can see index, blog, post, about, contact, right? 1 2 3 4 5 pages, and we need a style sheet. Yes, so CSS is complete. Now what I can do is we can actually copy from here. So let's copy the code and let's go to the code editor. So in this case we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So let's open Visual Studio Code here. Now let's create a folder here. So we'll create a folder in the desktop, let's say, and here we are going to create a new folder and we'll say it as AI blog site. So let's open this, add this folder here, and here you can see we have added the folder. Now we'll create our first file, and that is style.css, right? Here you can see style.css, and we have copied the code. So we're going to add it here. So let's paste it here. Here we go. So now we have added, right? Okay, you can see, and done. Now let's go for the first HTML page it created. So here you can see this is index.html. So we are going to create index.html, and let's copy this code also. So let's go create index.html, index.html, hit enter and Ctrl+V to paste it. All right. Now let's go for the next file, next HTML file, and that is blog.html. So let's copy the code and create blog.html. So blog.html, and here we're going to paste it, Ctrl+V. Now let's go for the next one and post.html. So copy this and let's go create a new file, post.html. Now let's say if it is a PHP project, so you can actually add here extension .php, okay, blob.php, right? Okay. Now we have to copy this post and paste it here. save it. Let's go for the next one, and that is about HTML. So we are going to create one more file that is called about.html, and here we are going to paste it. Let's go for the next one, that is contact. So copy it, contact.html. Okay, so let's create a new file here, contact.html. Paste it here. I think we have done all the basic. Now if you want to start this project in live, what we can do is we can actually go to the extension here, and we can actually say here live server. To get the live server, here you can see this is the live server, and we are going to install it, and here you can see successfully installed. Now we are going to remove all the pages, close all. Okay, now here we have option here, you can see go live. So we'll click here go live, and it will actually open this site for us. So let me zoom out a little bit, and here you can see this is AI blog site, and we have different page, and now we can actually navigate through all of them, right? And you have a read more button also here, you can see, and it actually took us to the post page, right? Single post page, and here we can actually go back to the blog page, and you can see all the blog, right? So this is a really simple website, but we can actually do it through AI, right? For free. I know this is a simple website. You may actually give here better prompt to look it more better. Like I just give him the prompt that okay, just go for all the pages. You may actually give it a prompt that which color actually you want in the header, and then font also you you want to use in your website. So basically it depends on your prompt that how your website will look like. So here you can see the output, right? So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching.